How to streak on Snapchat app. Hey, what's up guys? In today's quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to start and maintain a Snapchat streak. So if you're not familiar with streaks, they're basically a fun way to keep track of sending snaps back and forth with your friends. So let's just get into it. First of all, open up your Snapchat in your phone and then you can just wait for the screen to be loaded. Once you're here, you can just swipe to the chat section of your screen and find a friend you want to start a streak with. So you need to send snaps. For example, let me just go ahead and tap on this friend right here. And after that, you just need to send up a snap to that particular person. You need to send snaps, not just chats, to keep the stream going. So you can just go ahead and tap on this camera icon at the left side of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and then send a snap. After it is sent, make sure to send them a snap, a photo or video instead of a regular text message. This is super important. Only snaps count for a streak, not chats. So your friend has to send you a snap back within 24 hours. That's the key to starting a streak. So if they do, you will be seeing an emoji right beside to their name and a number will be appearing next to it, showing how many days you have been on streak. So to keep your streak alive, both of you need to keep snapping each other every 24 hours. No gap. If you don't send snap in 24 hours, the streak will be broken. So stay on top of it. So that is it. Keeping your Snapchat streak going is super easy as long as you and your friend keep sending snaps regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have got any questions. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.